If you are looking to find high-ticket or high-paying clients for your products or services, and no matter the product or service you want to sell, then Seamless AI can help both freelancers and online business owners find targeted leads for their businesses and generate sales. In this Seamless AI review, I'm going to show you how you can use Seamless AI, and also I'm going to leave a link down the description of this video, which by clicking on it and signing up to Seamless AI, you are going to receive free credits. So as a first step, we are going to check the left side of Seamless AI dashboard where we can filter our leads. If you click the button right here, you can find two options, contact search and company search. I'm going to choose company search because if you sell a product or service, it's better to target the company that may need your service. So let's click on it. Here you are going to find different filters, and you can also click this icon right here where Seamless AI will give you a pop-up and explain you what the filter can do for you. For example, with the company filter, use the company filter to target specific companies or to find professionals who have worked at specific companies. Here we are going to click the plus icon, and we can click here, for example, airlines. You can clearly see that Seamless AI can help us find even very large companies, but you can find even small stores. Now, down here, you can filter the location. If you are selling, for example, in the United States, you can type here United States. So Seamless AI will find leads that are targeted to the location you put in here. Here, you can also add the zip code. Here, you can add more keywords. In this filter, you can type different keywords. If you want a specific type of leads, you can exclude leads that you don't want Seamless AI to find for you, so you avoid leads that are not interested in what you have to offer. You may also try different keywords here and make your search even more specific. Here in the industry, you can choose any industry of the drop-down that Seamless AI has for us. Let's click, for example, here aerospace and defense, and we can exclude also other niches. I'm not going to use this filter, it is in beta mode and it may have different problems on the search. Now on the employee size, you can choose any size that you want, and here in the drop down, Seamless AI gives many options for us. I'm going to choose 11 to 50 employees, include, okay. A note here is that you can choose different sizes. For example, if you are searching companies in this size and in this large size, you can both include those two options. It's not mandatory to choose only one option. Here on the revenue, you can choose any of the options, but make sure that you have chosen more companies if you want to choose more revenue options from this drop-down. For example, here I just deleted the employee size because if I choose 2 to 10 employees, for example, Seamless AI won't find me companies with a lot of different revenue size. You see here I have 100K to 1 million, but if I go again and choose more options here, for example, 1,000 to 5,000 employees and 10,000 plus employees, then if I go in the revenue filter right here, Seamless AI will give me other option. So make sure to align properly the number of employees when you choose the previous filter with the revenue you want those companies to have and target the right clients. Technologies is one special filter because if, for example, you are a copywriter, a web tech professional, you write different programs, or you have any other types of skills, then you can also include the technology that those companies use and filter based on this technology leads. If, for example, you create custom plugins for company in WordPress, then you can type here WordPress, so the lead Seamless AI will find for you will be using WordPress and are much more likely to accept your service. The same if you are a copywriter using any other company out there, if you are an email marketer using, for example, ActiveCampaign or another funnel builder and email marketing company, and goes on. So make sure to do some research on the technology they use, because this is what is going to give you an edge in targeting those leads and making more sales. Now here Seamless AI has some other options. For example, we can choose users with high intent. You can choose from the drop down here the intent you want those leads that Seamless AI will find for you. You want to have search. If I click this icon here, I can see another filter that I forgot to mention. It's the seniority filter. The seniority filter will allow us to find leads in specific positions in an existing business. If you click the plus icon and then click here, Seamless AI will give you different levels: C-level, VP level, director, manager, and goes on. If you click include, Seamless AI will find you leads that are, for example, decision makers, such as C-level, director, and manager. Those people can make a decision if they want your service or not. And it's really clever to use this filter, because there may be leads that Seamless AI finds if you don't use it that will be kind of useless for your service. Right here you can type a prompt. For example, I want to contact directors and managers in the marketing department for airlines for a promotional service so they find more clients. And then click this blue icon here so the AI writer can write the message for us. Here is the message that the AI writer has made for us. You can of course read it and make any adjustments. You can make those adjustments by yourself, or tell the AI writer to, for example, add more calls to action, make the message more specific, longer, shorter, and goes on. If you click this icon right here, Seamless AI will tell us the ROI we have by using the software, so you can be sure that using Seamless AI can be a profitable marketing solution for you. Another really important feature of Seamless AI that those of you who are using email marketing already know is the use of lists. For those that don't know what a list is, once you make a search or you have some leads, you can organize them into different lists so you know which type of leads you have in this specific list. For example, I made a search right now for the United Airlines and American Airlines for C-level, director, and manager, and also those filters right here. So those contacts could be added to a list that is named, for example, airlines and something else that can remind me those searches. If you make searches for different countries and different niches, you can also name lists in a way that makes you understand easy which type of leads you have in each list. Now, if you click here, for example, you can click add to list and then choose the list you want to put those leads in, or you can create a list directly from here. The lists that you see here have been created as I clicked on this icon right here and created those lists. Let's create them from scratch. Let's click create list, airlines, and save list. The list now appears right here. If you click those three dots, you can rename the list, delete the list, or set it as default list. You can also download the list in your computer by clicking this icon right here. So first you find the contacts, then you add them into the list, and as a last step, you download them in your computer so you can message and mail those people. I'm clicking in the search option to go back in the contacts Seamless AI found for me. If you click here, you can choose all contacts. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose those two contacts and then click Add to Lists. I'm choosing airlines and I'm scrolling down and click Save. Back in my lists, always check that everything is okay, that the search is finished completely, that you checked all pages, you found the information you wanted and you added them into the lists. Then check the list if it is filled with those contacts, and of course save them to your computer so you can proceed in your next search. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to click the link I leave down below so you can get free credits to use Seamless AI.